Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on Plus500. The first thing that you need to do is create yourself an account. And if you don't have any idea how to create an account, I created 5 minutes ago a video with how to create an account on Plus500. Please check out that video, and then afterwards you can go back to this video and then we can start. Because this is the starting screen where you need to start, because this is what you see when you created an account. Then right now the first thing that we're going to do is we go right here to the 3 lines left in the top, and then we switch to demo mode right here. And now from here we can start the paper trade from here. So what we're going to do at this page right here, or sorry, demo trade, paper trade is exactly the same. From here what we're going to do is search for something that we want to buy. So let's search, for example, for tech ETF. Then we search right here for the Global X lithium and battery tech, and then we want to create a buy order. So what we're going to do, you can do it from here, but I like to do it from here. So I click right here on buy, and then you will find right here a buy position. So you can fill in right here with how many shares you want to buy it. Let's say we want to buy 1 share, that is fine. Usually right here the value of the share, oh sorry, it's standing on 2 because the minimum is 2. Now we want to buy 2 shares, that is fine. Now we can also set limits, so close at profit, or we can close at loss. If you want to do that, we can also add a trailing stop, but for now that is not important. Let me switch a little bit my face cam, because now it's necessary. And then right here, what we're going to do, if you want to buy, select right here buy. And now if you can see, we created ourselves a position on the Global X lithium and battery tech. Now let's say we want to sell. We click here on sell and do exactly the same. We can select right here 2 shares, that is fine. Now we can set limits if you want to do that. And then from here we click on sell. There we go, and now we have a short position. So it's seriously that easy. And if you want to search for instruments, let's search right here for instruments. Now there we have Bitcoin. Now we can create a position on Bitcoin. And this is how it works. So if you have more questions about paper trading right here on Plus500 or demo trading, please comment it down below so I can help you out in the comments. But this is exactly what you need to know to demo trade or paper trade right here on Plus500. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.